Well, there it is. I guess I could say I told you so. So, I told you so, but as expected, from doing the charting, it did exactly what I thought it would do. Break out to the upside. Also got these new stickers on my car, so check that out. Litecoin accepted here, Crypto TV on the back of the Audi. But yeah, like, I don't even know what to say. It makes sense. It makes total sense. We'll go over it in a couple of seconds because I'll do some charting on it, but I pretty much told you exactly how it was going to play out. And there were a lot of you guys that doubted me. Tons and tons and tons of you guys who doubted me, but also check out Monster has a new flavor. Delicious. But it did exactly what it said it was going to do, and I guess I could say I told you so. For all those who invested, good job for you guys. For those who doubted, maybe on the next run you'll get in. Alright guys, what's going on? We're back on the charting, portion of today's video. Like I said, guys, pretty insane things are happening within the crypto space right now. Obviously, today's video we're going to discuss Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and as well as, Cardano, and check out where exactly this market is going, why it is going those directions. And I'm pretty pumped. Otherwise, if you guys are new, definitely make sure to subscribe, click the like button, turn on post notifications. This way you don't miss out on any important things. Like I said, giveaway for some free cryptocurrency at 10,000 subscribers. We just broke 8K. Otherwise, guys, jumping straight into the market, no current events, because I think this is an urgent update. As you guys can see, jeez, I don't want to use, that word, but oh my dang, this is some insane stuff, guys. The entire market is up double digits. We have not seen this in such a long time. You can see we have Bitcoin dominance 51.5, so about point. I believe we were at 51 yesterday. Maybe we were at 50.3 yesterday. But 24-hour volume is $55.8 billion. We're up about $20 billion in terms of volume in one day alone. We have a market cap of 163.3 billion, which means we have so much liquidity and so much volume shooting into the market. It is streamlining the prices, and there's a bunch of important information to discuss when we view the charts, because a lot of you people might think, oh my god, it's time to buy in, it's time to FOMO buy in. No, do not do that yet, or at least I will say I will not do that yet. So out of these top 10 coins, they're all up, guys. Bitcoin up 15%, Ethereum 9%, Litecoin up 13%, Bitcoin Cash 12%. Everything follows Bitcoin, but you can see the past 24 hours has been no volume, which I've been saying, guys. I've been saying this over and over again. Otherwise, guys, let's jump in, and I want to show you guys my YouTube channel because I feel like it's kind of important. Alright, so I'm on my channel right now, and I feel like this justifies a lot of things. I've been getting a lot of backlash from certain negative people on the channel. Obviously, it doesn't matter. I truly do not give the slightest bit of care. But basically, I wanted to show you. There's a reason why I title my videos the way I do. A lot of you guys saying, nope, it's bad. Nope, videos are bad. Super clickbait. You're not talking, realistically. Let's look at my videos for a second. The reason I am buying Litecoin now was made yesterday. It was made one day ago. I told you guys I was buying back into Litecoin. I did. And I just did buy into Litecoin one day ago, and look at where the market is right now. So, pretty huge thing. I'm not trying to gloat or anything. I'm just saying there's a reason why I make my videos discussing the things I say. Litecoin bear market is officially over. Litecoin hodlers, be ready. Litecoin volume is about to surge. 4 days ago, I said Litecoin is going to surge. Litecoin volume is about to surge. Litecoin 4 days ago, and I made my video 4 days ago, and look at Litecoin's volume. We have $2.8 billion in volume compared to below $1 billion. We're up $2.8 billion in volume, and we're up, that's insane. And I said it only 4 days ago. That counts. 4 days ago, I said volume's going to surge. Litecoin, don't wait any longer. Litecoin, let's just, not that one. Litecoin 60 plus could spark Bitcoin price surge. We're just broke $60 and we just shot up exponentially. Litecoin, something big is coming. Will Litecoin ever get replaced? Litecoin rally will be bigger than I thought. Litecoin major move is almost here. I said that 1 week ago. Not even 1 week ago, I called that Litecoin is going to pop. Bitcoin is going to pop. Watch any of my videos back, and I've been calling it. That's why it is so important to be subscribed to this channel if you don't want to miss out on these important runs. So moving our focus now to the market. This is Litecoin's chart, guys. Litecoin to USD. Couple of things I need to discuss. So first off, looking at the 4-hour, you can see it is exponentially moonshot in volume. It is exponentially overbought right now, which is a huge red flag. I am not buying in anymore. I did not buy in. Buy in when we were down here, $60. Do not buy in where we're at. You know, that's my personal opinion. Do what you want with it, but you can see what exactly happened is we kind of used our 4-hour uptrend to push this price up, you know, from a $62 resistance, and we got sandwiched in between here, and, you know, we had 3 supports, the green, the red, and the uptrend, this yellow uptrend, and it exploded the price up to the upside, broke right through our 62 resistance, and we exploded. It is a huge day to take profits, guys, in my opinion. Now, I am going to be taking profits because obviously, like I said, I have some coins, you know, stored away for a long time that were bought at like $28, $22, and I have another bag of coins that I do like to buy and sell and trade around with. You can see beautifully, I said the past couple of days, no volume indicates big move is coming. You can see we just touched our support and we exploded up in price. Now this is, you know, past. Now that we have this massive explosion, I do think because we're in the overbought market, we do need to pull back down. I wouldn't be surprised if we pulled back down to $67, $66, like I said. That to me is a fair, you know, back to neutral value of the coin. But I've pretty much been saying we're in an ascending wedge. We're shooting up. A lot of people said this ascending wedge would be bearish. We broke bullish. It's also an ascending triangle. You can see we got sandwiched in, traded sideways. We needed the upward support, like I've been saying, and we shot up. I think fair value, we do need to pull back down to $67. That's all I'm saying about Litecoin. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pretty much been showing that it's going to break out the past couple of days. We discussed its uptrend right here was going to, you know, break to the upside, and you can see zooming back out exactly what happened. We had a resistance right at the top here at $4,100. We had an uptrend. We finally broke above that, got wedged in, and then bam, we exploded up in price, shooting to major highs. Absolutely phenomenal, absolutely insane, huge uptrend, massive explosion. Obviously, we are extremely overbought right now, so we do need to pull back, but we actually shot up over $5,000. I'm actually mind blown. So we pretty much have more than doubled where we started in the beginning of 2019. So 2019 looks really good, guys. You know, it's just beautiful uptrend. It's beautiful charting. We've been calling this run for the tons of days in the past. Maybe 2 weeks ago, we were talking about a massive, major move was coming for the crypto market, and that is exactly what happened. You know, there were tons of videos that were also made about me on other YouTubers' channels. And I didn't want to say anything, but here you go. Here's the proof. The proof is in the pudding. I've been calling this not for clickbait, but because there's a reason why I've been calling it. And bam, that is a massive breakout to the upside. And you can't say we have not been graphing this. I want to hear it in the comments, guys. Drop a like. I want this video to get the most like I've ever had on the channel. I want to shoot for 500 likes. Let me get 500 likes if you agree that I am right and we shot up. If you're pro Litecoin and you agreed that this was going to skyrocket, leave a like down below. Massive uptrend, you know, major breakout to the upside. You can see we've been literally tracking it with our, you know, yellow band right here, resistance at the top, our purple uptrend, ascending triangle, bam, exploded to the upside. You can't, you know, this is so textbook, guys. It is so textbook. And now you can see exactly where resistance is with, you know, Ethereum. I believe Ethereum's in a larger ascending triangle. Let me draw this out. Don't get me wrong. I think it's in a larger ascending triangle. I think this was like the first wave. Now we had the second one. We're going to come back down, guys, and then wait for the third one and then shoot a bigger. This is a smaller move within a bigger, you know, ascending triangle because these are still in play right now. We just hit our previous resistance, which you can see was very obvious. We're not even really overbought yet for Ethereum. We're about to be, but you can see it plays very well with its previous support line, which is a huge indication as to why that's why we're going to stop there. I don't think we're going to get much higher than that. Otherwise, we're going to wick back down. But consolidation, maybe pull back down to 145, maybe 140, and then we shoot up even higher and retest 160 one last time. Lastly, looking at Cardano, guys, before we wrap up today's episode. Very obvious play it had. Like I said, we were already extremely overbought for Cardano, so this move was a negative thing for Cardano because it was already extremely overbought. It really didn't have any more time to move up higher. There wasn't any more room for it to move up higher, so it actually managed to pull all the way back down to our previous support, which I drew 2 days ago on Cardano's charting. I literally said we're going to pull back down to here, and that is exactly what it did. Now, it did wick, so there is a chance we can still climb back down, but it was called, and I did say that, and you can see it's coming back down into overbought. We still need to go a little bit further. We may pull all the way down to here, where this previous support is. Very possible, but otherwise, guys, like I said, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. I hope all of you guys made a really good profit today. I know I did, and I'm very happy. I'm definitely selling off my current position. Litecoin $70. It is extremely, overbought in where it is right now. Extremely overbought. I don't want to take any more risks. I'm happy I made a profit. If it goes up to $80, then I didn't really lose anything. I could have made more, but I didn't walk away in the negative. So I'm happy, guys. I'm going to treat myself. Hopefully you guys like my car. Subscribe. This way you don't miss out on any important information. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.